Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, some fans feel like uMaNgwabe and her son had to clarify lento yokuthi uMakhumalo got uSimphiwe. uSimphiwe is uMaNgwabe's son. uSimphiwe a job at that car dealership or car company where she's an ambassador at. Other people are like, no, you guys give uMakhumalo too much credit. I'm just like, guys, umona kodwa. Why would some people even have a problem with uMakhumalo getting credit for uSimphiwe getting a job? At the end of the day, Ingane got a job. Now people feel like that scene just did not make sense because niyazazi ke izinto zakwamseleku. There's always inkulumo. So they felt like uMaNgwabe was clarifying, number one, that the job did not come from uMakhumalo. Because uSimphiwe says that the job where he's working right now, he got it through a friend. We don't even know if the friend he's talking about is Umpilo. We don't even know which job, if it's the same job where he's working at now, guys. I just kind of feel like, Abantu, one thing about us, we will see and we'll hear what we want to hear. Number two, people also felt like uMaNgwabe was clarifying that uSimphiwe staying there by the house was her decision and it had nothing to do with uMusa now accepting or giving her the position or the permission rather. She's the one who called uSimphiwe to come and stay in his mother's house. Mina guys, I'm just glad that uMaNgwabe made sure or brought her son to come and stay in that house, because there's no way uSimphiwe was not feeling a certain way, even though he seems so respectful. It doesn't seem like he'd voiced something out to his mother. But honestly, guys, I just think that'll be a deal breaker. A man who constantly reminds me of how my child is an outsider. Guys, please, if you've got a child and you're no longer married or you're no longer in a relationship with your baby daddy, the man that comes along, best believe he must believe ukuthi wena guys uyi happy meal. Uza namatoyisi. You come with people and they are obliged to love those people. Sasa ke you guys will be hearing uMusa saying ukuthi niyambona uSimphiwe njengoba successful amandla ka flow because he got the job through uMakhumalo. uMakhumalo got her strength to work from uFlow. Guys, uMusa. So maybe even that's why uMaNgwabe felt some need to clarify certain things so that tomorrow uMusa doesn't come and boost on the child's hard work. Anyway, let's pause it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.